The most important right for children and youth for me is the right to education, to be educated.
Well, I know that children have a right for shelter, a birth certificate, food, water,
good health, food, clean water, shelter, food and water.
There are some kids who stay in the street and they don't have education. Sometimes when I'm going to town, I see street kids asking for money for education.
Yes, there used to be this prefect. She had a big body, she was tall. She'd always carry a tennis ball with her. And if you did noise or if you made noise or something else, she'd just throw it at you. She'd hit it with you in the head.
Sometimes we do private lessons at school. But sometimes my mother doesn't have money to pay the private lessons. When we are in the class, the teacher focuses more with those who paid the private lessons.
Yes. In my school, they are special class. We play together because we are all children. At our school, we mostly use English and foreign languages. But if there's a student, there's a teacher which teaches him or her the
Mama, aku dirapin tapi dengan cikoro. Mari aku jadi tinggal sama